Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find voice settings on your account on Discord easy and quick. First click on your profile, and now here you will find voice on app settings, and that's it. That's how to find voice settings on your account on Discord easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.